If you want this type of colorful terminal or prompt, then follow this video. Open your web browser and search ohmyzsh. Click on the second link of ohmyzsh GitHub repo. Scroll down and copy any one of these. I am copying wget one because it comes pre-installed with most Linux distros. Now open your terminal and type sudo apt install git. Press enter and your password. Now paste the link you just copied using Ctrl plus Shift plus V and press enter. Enter capital Y. Now to change to different theme, type nano.zshrc. Scroll down and change the variable named zsh underscore theme.